company is a data-driven company since a long time. We are manufacturing seamless steel pipes for oil industry.
I work with the data science team to integrate artificial intelligence in the automation solutions.
With previous solutions, traditional BI tools, we were limited in the possibility to mash up data from different data sources, and also we lack of flexibility.
Thanks to machine learning, we made this process far more quicker and easy to use, so they can spend their time to improve other processes.
With Cloudera, we were able to set up a machine learning process very quickly, and we were able to test different models and choose the best one in very short time.
Right now, they are able to have predictions in just seconds to dedicate most of their time to other rewarding tasks.
Sometimes, from the request to the answer, we were able to deliver the result in less than 2-3 days, while before it would take weeks.
Working together to do a real-time system that allow us to control the consume of the energy per hour and not day by day as it is now.
Producing better pipe allows the company to save cost and deliver to the final customer a better product. This allows all the company to be the market leader for this kind of product.